A very good morning, students. Standard 5 English Grammar. Unit 8 The Articles. What are articles? Words are used before noun and then modifies noun are called articles. The articles a, an, and the are determiners used before nouns and sometimes adjectives. And a comes before singular nouns that begins with a consonant sound. For example, a rat, a unit, a xylophone. And an comes before singular noun that begins with a vowel sound or a mute h. For example, an adult, an X-ray, an Aries. A or an or indefinite articles are used to speak of someone or something for the first time, are used to with a noun in a general. For example, we have a test tomorrow, and there is a definite article used to point out a noun. The articles a, an, and the can be used before an adjective that comes before a noun. For example, our school has got a new captain. A new is the adjective and captain is the noun. Next, the new captain was elected last week. A new is the adjective, captain is the noun. He is an intelligent boy. Intelligent is adjective and boy is the noun. And we use the when a person, place, animal or thing is mentioned a second time. For example, we have a test tomorrow. Here a test mentioned first time. The next one, we want to do well in the test. Here, the test mentioned second time. We use the when it is clear which person, place, animal or thing is being referred to. For example, we had 2 glass jars, a red one and an amber one. The amber jar was very expensive. And we use the when there is only one such thing. For example, the moon, the sun and etc. We use the when naming a noun that refers to an entire group of its kind. For example, the whale is a mammal. Whale is the entire group of its kind. And we use the before ordinal numbers, before superlative adjectives. For example, the second seat in that row is mine. The second is the ordinal number. And next example, you are the best. And best is the superlative adjective. And we do not use the definite article the before names of games. And we use the with the following proper nouns. Names of oceans. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Next, the names of rivers and seas. The Ganga is the sacred river. The next, names of deserts. The Thar Desert is in western India. Next, names of landmarks. I live behind the fire station. Names of natural wonders. The Niagara Falls are in North America. Names of places containing the word of. The United States of America is a democratic country. Names of newspapers, magazines and books. The Times of India is a popular English newspaper. Next, names of hotels and restaurants. The Land's End Hotel is near the shore. And we do not use the with the following proper nouns. The names of continents, streets, and most countries. The names of lakes and mountains. The names of days, months, and festivals. The names of people. Students, once more we recall the articles. What are the articles? Words are used before noun and then modifies noun are called articles. There are three articles in English: a, an, and the. A is used before a word that begins with consonants. For example, a cow, a beetle, a deer, a pearl. And we use an before a word that begins with a vowel sound: a, e, I, o, u. For example, an apple, an elephant, an ice cream, an orchard, an umbrella. An article the is used to introduce plural nouns. For example, the bicycles, the erasers, the ostriches, and the dolls. So, dear students, once more you study and write the articles, page number 34 and 35. Thank you. Have a nice day.